In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Constant Connect. So from in there, we can head over first to our Constant Contact. And in there, just input your email address that you wish to use and click onto this button in order to get 14 days free trial. So you can just proceed to sign up using this option in order to get the trial further page. Once you're successfully signed up, you can proceed to log in. So head over and click on this login option if you already have an account. Now, in here is my dashboard for my constant contact. So for this case, let's head over and make sure first that your HTML template is well prepared. Once you're in there, head over right here to this left sidebar. Then under the channels, you should be able to see in here all of this. So you can also find campaigns, so make sure to click onto this campaigns option. Once you're in here, just click onto this create campaign and you can choose in here what kind of campaign you want. For this case, let's head over and then choose email. On this page, you should be able to see in here this build with HTML option. So head over and click on this select option right there. In here, it will open the actual code for this. We have the HTML body and the HTML, we have the trafficking image, and you can also enable the live preview below it. So for this case, just input right here the HTML code for the actual template that you wish to utilize right here. So remove the actual placeholders right there. And once you're done, you can head over and click onto this check and preview. You can check for errors if there's any error with the actual thing, or you can also click onto this preview right here in order to actually preview what it would look like. Once you're done, head over and click onto this continue option in order to successfully create this campaign. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.